Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to break down about a solid review about BIKENDA Silicone Denture Set and if it's legit or scam. So the BIKENDA Silicone Denture Set has garnered significant criticism with numerous reviews and expert analysis suggesting it may be a scam. And you can also find the review on the Amazon platform. Here it's 1 star is pretty paradise, and here's it is actually a clear indication. Now we are going to talk about the key concerns about this product. The poor product quality. Customer report that the dentures are made of cheap plastic lacking durability and functionality. One reviewer mentioned that it's a scam. There is no way it can work as teeth. There is nothing to them but a print of painted with white teeth. Now here is misleading marketing. The product is advertised with exaggerated claims such as providing instant perfect smile and immediate relief. However, investigations have found that these assertions are not backed up by clinical evidence or the professional endorsement. Lack of professional endorsement. There is no indication that dental professionals or association have validated the safety or effectiveness of that product. This absence of credible third-party validation raises doubts about its reliability. Now, affiliate-driven promotions. Many positive reviews appear to be from affiliate marketers, potentially compromising their objectivity, and this strategy often leads to overstatements and misleading claims to drive sales. Here is difficult return process. Also, a money back guarantee is advertised. Customers have reported challenges in obtaining refund, suggesting that the guarantee may lack substance. Now, here is expert recommendation for you. Given the multiple red flags, including poor quality, product quality, misleading marketing, and lack of professional endorsement and questionable promotional tactics, experts advise against this purchasing this BIKENDA Silicone Denture Set. For those seeking denture solutions, consulting a licensed dental professional is recommended to ensure safety and effectiveness. So I hope you got this. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.